Hey PHS, I'm Jacob Vincent and you're watching The Roar. Recently, the advanced Spanish classes participated in a Day of the Dead tradition. Senora Sanchez explains the importance of ofrendas.
So every year we do Day of the Dead projects, and this year the ones that set up in the library are for the levels Spanish 3 and 4, and they always do the full-size ofrendas or altars. We typically do them to a famous person, but in many households they do it to loved ones, family members who have passed on as a way to honor their memory and show respect. And so many times there are typical items on an ofrenda, but they also have personal items that that family member may have enjoyed, like favorite drinks, favorite foods, and sometimes even personal effects.
Veterans Day is a time for us to pay our respects for those who have served. On this day, we stand united in respect for you, our veterans. We celebrate and honor America's veterans for their patriotism, love of our country, and willingness to sacrifice for the common good. Make sure to thank a veteran tomorrow and every day. Basketball season kicked off this month and our varsity teams are on the road for their first 4 games. Last night, the Lions took on Auburn High School. Both the boys and girls teams failed to clinch the W, with Auburn defeating the Lions 59-25 and 81-33. Thursday, the Lions have their first opportunity to get their first win as they take on the Bulldogs of Marbury. Tickets for the game can be purchased until noon. Tip-off is slated for 5:30. Make plans to join us for the Countdown to College workshop with potential on November 12th from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. via GoWebinar. This virtual information-packed workshop is designed to help 8th through 12th grade students and their parents prepare for college. You can register for the virtual workshop on gophslines.com. Please contact Ms. Thigpen with any workshop-related questions. That's all I have for today. I'm Jacob Vincent, and you just watched The Roar.